Hello student, today we are going to discuss next chapter of operation research, third chapter, duality. New chapter, duality. Okay. Duality. So in this chapter we have to find the LPP solution by duality. Okay, so for that introduction, for every LPP there is a related unique LPP. There is related unique LPP involving recent data. The given original LPP or original problem is called as primal problem. Okay, if first given that regular LPP is called primal problem, and this primal problem to convert the duality means we have to convert the RHS of constraint is objective function, and coefficient of objective function is a RHS of constraint. In this way we have to converting, okay, inverting the primal problem by reversing the rows and columns of an algebra in system is called as dual problem. What is meant by primal problem? Is a given LPP. Okay, given LPP is a regular primal problem, and we have to converting their dual. We have to changing the RHS to objective function to RHS of constraint. Then we say that given LPP is dual problem. Okay, this is dual problem. Their dual form of dual problem when primal is in canonical form. Dual problem when primer is in the canonical form. Okay, canonical form. Primal problem, when primal problem is canonical form, then we have to find the dual problem in this way. So the general canonical form of LPP is, firstly, the general form or general LPP of general LPP in canonical form. In canonical form can be written as general form of LPP is, what is in this way? Maximum Z is equal to, when function is maximum Z, then all constraint must be less equal than, okay, less equal type, and if constraint is minimized type, then all constraint must be greater equal type. Okay, so here consider maximize z. Okay, if constraint is maximum z, objective function is maximize type, where in this way c1 x1 plus c2 x2 plus plus up to so on cn xn, subject to constraints are given that a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus plus so on a1n xn, which is less equal b1. Okay, when objective function is maximized type, then their constraints are must be less equal type. Okay, so then next constraint is a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus plus so on a2n xn, which is less equal b2, and in this way an1 x1 plus an2 x2 plus plus up to so on ann xn, which is less equal bn, where for all xi's greater equal 0, where I runs from 1 to up to n. Okay, that is x1 x2 up to so on. These are non-negative. Okay, and this is a primal problem. Suppose that, okay, if we call this type problem is a primal problem, then its dual is, okay, suppose if we call this type of problem as primal problem, then dual problem of primal problem is, primal problem is which is given in the way which is given by, this is our primal problem. Okay, so in dual problem, this is b1 b2 up to bn. In this all coefficient write in objective function. Suppose that b1 w1 coefficient change here. Okay, b1 w1 plus b2 w2 plus plus so on bn wn, and their constraint write in the way first all coefficient of x1 write in first constraint, then for second constraint write all constraint, so a12 w2 w1 plus a22 w2 plus plus so on an2 w2. In this is second constraint, and which is less equal to second coefficient of x2. Okay, in objective function. Then in this way their dual is, if function is maximized type, in dual function is must be right minimized type. Okay, so then dual is here, then dual problem is given by function is maximized type here, so there in dual is minimized here. Okay, in dual is minimized here. Minimized here is equal to RHS of constraint in this all constraint, RHS of constraint write in objective function. So b1 w1 plus b2 w2 plus plus so on bn wn, subject to constraint. In constraint, how to write this constraint write all coefficient of x1 write in first constraint, and which is greater equal in objective function of first coefficient of x1. Okay, so subject to a11 w1 plus a21 w2 plus plus so on an1 wn. Okay, and in minimized type all constraints are less equal, therefore in dual problem constraints are greater equal c1 is a coefficient of x1. In this way, then A12 W1 plus A22 W2 plus so on AN2 Wn, which is greater equal C2, and in this way A1n, okay, A1n W1 plus A2n Wn plus W2 plus up to so on ANN Wn, which is greater equal Cn, and for all Wi's are greater equal 0. This is our dual problem of given primal problem. Okay, this is a dual of our given problem. Okay, where I runs from 1 to up to n in this way. If a function is if here function is given that maximize time, then in dual problem function is minimize time. Okay, and constants are when objective function is maximize time, then their constants must be less equal. Then in dual problem the constants are greater equal. Write objective function, coefficient of objective function in RHS of constraint, and RHS of constraint write in objective function. Okay, and constants are written in the form of first coefficient of x1, all summation of coefficient of x1 is first constraint, summation of coefficient of x2 are second constraint. In this way write this constraint. Okay, so this is suppose that this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 1. Okay, so this is a dual of dual of primal problem 1. Okay, so equation 1 and 2 are called as symmetric dual problem. It's called as symmetric primal dual pairs or problems. Okay, so equation 1 and 2 are symmetric each other. Okay, when suppose that this is a given primal problem, then write their dual is must be above primal problem. Okay, if primal problem is in this way given that, then their dual is must be right in this way. Okay, so from the above two LPPs, here from the above two LPPs, we have first, if the primal problem contains n variable and m constraints, then its dual will contain here in primal problem. Suppose that n variable and m constraint, then in dual problem will be contain m variable and n constraint. Okay, will contain reverse of each other. Okay, m variable and n constraints in dual problem. Okay, so the maximization problem in primer becomes minimum minimum problem in its dual. If given primal problem is maximized type, then in its dual which is must be minimized problem. Okay, minimum problem in its dual and vice versa. Okay, so then third, the maximization problem. The maximization problem, constraint should be less equal type. Maximization problem has less equal or equal to constraints, while minimization problem is greater than or equal to constraint. While minimization problem, which is while minimization greater than or equal to type in its dual. Okay, and fourth one is the constant c1 c2 in objective function, or the coefficient of x1 x2 in objective function. The constant c1 c2 up to cn in objective function of primer problem, appears in the RHS of the constraint in its dual. Okay, in its dual. And then fifth one is, because here suppose that this is c1 c2 or cn, these all are coefficient of constraint, and in dual problem this is a RHS of constraint in dual problem. Okay, so in this way, then fifth one is the constraint, the constants b1 b2 up to bn in the RHS of the constraints of primer problem appears in the coefficient of objective function, objective function of dual. And sixth one, last one is the decision variable in both problem are must be non-negative. In both the problems must be non-negative. Okay, in this way write a dual problem. Okay, so some examples on its dual. This is very simple. This is important also for university exam. For example, construct the dual of the following problem. Construct the dual of the following problem. Construct the dual of following problem. Okay, so how to construct? Here first example, maximize z is equal to 3x1 plus 5x2 subject to 2x1 plus 6x2 is less equal 50. Then 3x1 plus 2x2 is less equal 35. Then 5x1 minus 3x2 is less equal 10. Then x2 is less equal 20, and x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. So this is our primer problem. Okay, this is our primer problem. In primer problem, objective function is maximized type. Objective function is maximized type. Here number of constants are 1 2 3 4. Four constants are given in primer problem, and variable are only two variable. Okay, so in its dual problem, only two constants and four variable. Okay, reverse way. If in this way, if the primer problem contains n variable and m constant, this is our primer problem which contains two variable and four constraint, then its dual will contains m constant. Constants are m variable. Okay, m variable. Here number of constants are 4, so which contains 4 variable and 2 constants. Okay, and this is a maximized type, which will be in its dual is minimized type. Okay, so dual of given LPP is write in objective function minimize z. Here function is maximize z, therefore in its dual is minimize z. So write this all RHS of constraints write in objective function. Therefore here 50W1 plus 35W2. Okay, this is RHS of constraints, plus 10W3 plus lastly 20W4. Subject to write first constraint are coefficient of x1, only coefficient of x1. So this is 2W1 plus then 3W2 for second constraint. For third constraint 5W3, and for fourth constraint here x1 is absent, therefore x1 has coefficient must be 0. Okay, 0W4, and this is all constants are less equal type. In minimized problem, constants are greater equal type, and which is greater equal to coefficient of x1, this is 3. Okay, then for second constant is coefficient of x2, this is 6W1 plus 2W2 plus 3W3 plus this is W4, 1W4. Okay, and which is greater equal coefficient of x2, which is 5, and all W1, W2, W3 and W4 are greater equal 0. Okay, this is our dual problem in this way. Okay, how to write this? Only write a RHS of constant in objective function. If maximized type is objective function maximize, then write in its dual, which is minimize. Constants are less equal in maximize, then in minimize constants are greater equal type, and in this way write the constants. Okay, so next problem is maximum z is equal to 3x1 plus x2 minus plus 4x3 plus x4 plus 9x5. Here number of variable are 5, and subject to constants are 4x1 minus 5x3 5x2 minus 9x3 plus x4 minus 2x5, which is less equal 6. Then second constant is given that 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 2x3 minus 5x4 plus x5 is less equal 9, and last one is constant is given that x1 plus x2 minus 5x3 minus 7x4 plus 11x5 is less equal 10, and all x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 are greater equal 0. So its dual is dual of given LPP is dual of given LPP is how to write here. Objective function is maximize type, so in its dual is minimize type. All constants are less equal type. In minimize, all constants write in greater equal type. Okay, and RHS of constants in its primal problem write in objective function. Here number of constants are 3 and number of variables are 5. So in dual is number of constants are 5 and number of variables are only 3. Okay, so therefore in its dual is minimize z. Minimize z is equal to 6w1 plus 9w2 plus 10w3. Okay, 6w1 plus 9w2 plus 10w3 subject to write this all in first constraints 4w1. Okay, plus 2w2, 4w1 plus 2w2 plus w3 which is greater equal coefficient of x1 3. Then second minus 5w1 plus 3w2 plus w3 which is greater equal coefficient of x2 is 1. Okay, then 9w1, this is 9 minus 9w1 plus 2w2 minus 5w3 which is greater equal 4. Then next constant is w1 minus 5w2 minus 7w3 which is greater equal 1, and last one is minus 2w1 plus w2 plus 11w3 which is greater equal 9, and all w1 w2 w3 are greater equal 0. This is our dual problem of given LPP. Okay, so in this way find the dual problem. In this way find its dual problem. Okay, so next problem is third problem. Minimize z is equal to minimize z is equal to 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 4x3. Okay, so minimize z is equal to 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 4x3 subject to 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3 are greater equal 7. Then next constant is 6x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 are greater equal 4. Then next constant is 7x1 minus 2x2 minus x3 are less equal 10, and 4x1 plus 7x2 minus 2x3 is less equal 2, and x1 x2 x3 are greater equal 0. Okay, so here objective function is minimize type. Here all constants are not greater equal 0, so this constant is less equal 0, so convert it into greater equal 0. Okay, convert it into greater equal 10. This constant is less equal type, so convert it greater equal type. Okay, firstly since the objective function is minimize type. Okay, minimize type, therefore all the constants must be of the type greater equal. Okay, therefore here now third constraints are not greater equal type, so multiply this constraint multiply by minus 1 to the to the to the constant. This is a constant, this also constant is less equal type, so to the constant 3 and 4. So therefore multiplying this by minus 1 and this by minus 1, therefore minus 7x1 plus 2x2 minus plus x3 are greater equal 10, and last is minus 4x1 minus 7x2 plus 2x3 are greater equal 2. Okay, and therefore we get LPP, we get primary LPP. Okay, we get primary LPP is minimize z is equal to 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 4x3 subject to first two constants write as it is and last two constants write this. Okay, so 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3 are greater equal 7, then 6x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 are greater equal 4, and write then third and fourth constant this. Okay, minus 7x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 are greater equal 10, and minus 4x1 minus 7x2 plus 2x3 are greater equal 2, and x1 x2 x3 are greater equal 0. Then we have to find its dual. Okay, so dual of given LPPs, dual of given LPPs, this is our primer problem, and then find the dual of this problem. Then dual is maximized type. Maximum z is equal to, here number of variables is 3, so constants are in dual is only 3, and number of constants are given that 1 2 3 4, so variable is in its dual is 4. Okay, so 7w1 plus 4w2 plus 10w3 plus 2w4 subject to w1 w2 w3 w2 4 in this way. Okay, so 3w1 plus 6w2 plus minus 7w3 minus 4w4, and which is greater than which is less equal, all constants are greater equal type, so in each dual all constants are less equal type, so less than 3. Then next constant is 5w1 plus w2 plus 2w3 minus 7w4, which is less equal minus 2, and then last is 4w1 plus 3w2 plus w3 plus 2w4, which is less equal 4, and all w1 w2 w3 w4 are greater equal 0. Okay, in this way we solve the given LP problem in its dual, convert the primer problem in its dual problem. Okay, so solve some problems. Next example, minimum z is equal to x1 plus x2 subject to 2x1 plus 4x2 is less equal 60, then x1 minus x2 equal to 30, and x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. So this problem is also minimized type, and constants are less than or equal to type. Okay, so convert is a greater than type. Okay, greater than type, convert these constants. So here also less equal type. Okay, so multiply this constant by minus 1 and multiply this constant by minus 1, because objective function is minimized type, so their constants are minus 2x1 minus 4x2 are greater equal 60, and minus x1 plus x2 are greater equal 30. Okay, and then its dual is dual of given problem, dual of given ELP problem. Given of ELP is maximum Z is equal to 60 W1 plus 30 W2 subject to minus 2 W1 minus W2 are greater equal 1. Sorry, which is less equal 1 because constants are greater equal type. And now next constant is minus 4 W1 plus W2 are less equal 1 and W1 and W2 are greater equal 0. Okay. So next example suppose that next example is minimum Z is equal to x1 plus 2x1 plus 2x2 subject to x1 plus 4x2 are less equal 60. x1 plus 4x2 are less equal 60. Then x1 plus x2 is equal to 20 and x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. So how to find this? To find the here LP of this problem. So firstly, these constants are less equal to type, therefore this write in the form. This is equal to type constant, therefore the canonical form. In the canonical form, these constants write in this way: x1 plus x2 are less equal 20 and x1 plus x2 are greater equal 20. Okay, and this constant write as it is. Okay, here objective function is minimized type. Then these constants are less equal type, these constants are also less equal type, so multiply these constants by minus 1, so we get minus, here also minus, and this is greater equal. Similarly, if when constants are greater equal to type, then write their two constants are, first one is less equal type and second is greater equal type. x1 plus x2 is less equal type and x1 plus x2 is greater equal type. In this way, this means that x1 plus x2 is equal to type. Okay, so if constants are given that equal type, then write their two constants, first is less equal type and second is greater equal type. So there are two constants and one constant is x1 plus 4x2 are less equal 60. So objective function is minimized type, so convert all constants are in greater equal type. Okay, and then this is less equal, so multiply this by minus 1 and multiply this by also minus 1 and then convert it into its dual. Okay, so here minimum Z is equal to, I am directly write this 2x1 plus 2x2 subject to, directly we have to converting. Okay, converting to greater equal type, minus x1 minus 4x2 are greater equal 60 and minus x1 minus x2 are greater equal 20 and x1 plus x2 are greater equal 20. Okay, and then its dual of above LPP is minimized type here